Sparks, what's up? This is part of the Building Blocks with Business or Business Building Block series that I'm creating very quickly. I'm in my office and I'm going to talk to you today about, I have my notes here, why credit cards. And so these are important. I'm going to talk about why it's important for business owners. Now, if you're not a business owner, not an entrepreneur, it's probably not as important for you, but for business owners, I'm going to tell you why. But first, before we get started, my life mission is to inspire, educate, and share things with you that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. And if that sounds good to you, subscribe. All right, so I used to be a big Dave Ramsey thumper, like, oh my gosh, don't do credit, cash is king and the paid off home mortgage takes the place of the BMW, all of that. But I've realized as a business owner, I need credit. And just recently, I've been able to leverage my credit and actually help some other entrepreneurs with trade lines because I have an 8-year history on my Capital One, $15,000 credit limit, very, very low utilization. And they actually, have credit challenges. I have a friend that makes millions with credit challenges. And things come up, especially when you're in certain fields and you need bonding because they go off your credit. And what people aren't telling you in the beginning is it's great to have this idea. Oh, I have another idea. I'm gonna write down history. Hold on. I don't want to forget this. It's great, but I got it written down. You need the credit cards because you're gonna need the length, and that's part of your credit score, length of history of the account, of the oldest account. So if you're just getting started, starting your business, you need access to capital, to hire, working capital, even vendor type of credit. Sometimes they'll pull your credit. You don't have anything. And so even if you're trying to build and you get 6 months, it's going to take you like a decade to actually start building up that score. So for business owners, you want to have credit cards. The easiest one to get really to start off is Spark Business Card. That one does report to your personal credit. I didn't think about that. I didn't even know that in the very, very beginning. But that's something to think about, where there are other credit cards like my Amex Platinum does not report to my personal credit report. So again, keep those things in mind. But credit is extremely important. You hear a lot of people out here saying, you don't need credit cards. Running a business, scaling a business, more than likely, especially if you are like me, I'm an American descendant of slaves. If you're a minority, if you're a woman, it might be a little tougher. If you had some life challenges, just life things that have happened for you, divorce, something happened with children, aging parents, you want to make sure that you have that access to credit, not just for rainy days, but then you can float things. So for instance, my rent is something here where, it's a substantial amount, but it's due on the 10th. It's due on the 1st. They can float it till the 10th and then it's late. And so I just float it to the 10th and charge it on the card and then so I'm always kind of floating that again, but I, pay my card. So again, you need credit cards to grow and scale, then build that business. So those are just things people aren't talking about. You need the length of time with the history. Some people get automobile loans. Again, you might have a mortgage, student loans, but leverage credit and just use it to build your business credit because you are going to have to be a personal guarantor. Some people, you don't have to be a personal guarantor. You are going to need to be a personal guarantor. So you can carry 2 or 3 business cards. That's great. I just carry, I carry more than 2, but I have 2 main ones, one Amex, one Capital One, and my next one is going to be a Chase card, and then I'll probably be done. I may or may not one day get a Bank of America, but I don't know. They rubbed me wrong years ago. I went a penny over my account. It just was so many fees. It was ridiculous. And so I was like, I don't think I'll ever bank with them. But those are just things to think about as you're building and scaling your business. You at some point will need access to capital and you want to build your credit history as early as possible. So let me know below if you have a business credit card and how you're going to be building your credit with your business or for your business, right? Your personal credit for your business. So as always, thanks for watching. And I'll also be answering your questions in upcoming videos as well. Leave me a comment. You guys, I've come back. I'm here. All right, see you in the next video. Peace.